Okay, this is the Mad Max, and it's the Honda gx390. So first thing is changing the oil. There's two oil entry points and exits. So this is your main oil. This is your main oil drain. However, there's another one, it's just an alternate. You have an oil drain there, right down here. And then you also have an oil fill there. They're just to help with the engine configuration. To get the oil drain plug off, you need a 12mm, and then the crush washer is, this is what I got with my measurements. These are millimeters, so 19.1 outer diameter, more importantly 12.41 inner diameter. 10W30. I use well over a quart, so you're gonna have to get at least, well, you have to get 2 quarts. Online it said like, quart, but I actually needed a significantly amount more than that. So there you go.